Okay, here I'm going to show you how to hook MC4 adapters to a cable. Okay, first things first, need to strip the wire back using a stripper. This is a 10 gauge wire, I think. Let's check and see here. I'll use the biggest one first just to make sure I don't. Yeah, that worked. That worked good. Give it a twist. There we go. Now, in my application here, the male end of the MC4 is going to be going on to the negative portion of the cable here, which is opposite of what it would be coming directly from the solar panel. So this goes in the positive, yes. The bigger connector here goes in the male positive lead. The smaller one goes into the negative female MC4. Okay, drop this so that the wire we're just inside the insulator here. Just kind of cheat this one over a bit. They sell special made crimpers for these, but not worth it if I'm only going to do 4 or 5 of these. Crimper's $20-something. Okay. Gotta keep it rounded out. See, it's not very tight yet. Now is when you want to crimp. This has a crimper built in here. It says here on the side, non-insulated crimper. And what I'm going to do, the push in portion here, is I'm going to push in that crease there. Get it right in the middle of it. Squeeze. Done. Connected. This is real easy. First thing first, you want to put, okay, you've got your nut, then you've got your sealer, I guess that's what they call it. See, that'll go in there. And then when you screw the nut down, it pinches this down to seal it. So you just throw that on there. Now, putting this in, you push till you hear it click in. No click yet. Might have to separate these a little more. Get a bite on it. Get some purchase on it. Come on. There. That wasn't easy, but it went. I don't know if you heard that. And this slides down into there. They have tools that are made special to tighten these. But if you've got nice strong forearms and good strong fingers, you want to bring this all the way shut. No gap. Okay. Let's do this again. This is a 10 gauge wire. That's how thick this wire is. I'm going to take off about the same amount as I did on the other one, so the connectors will be near the same level. I could use a little solder in here, but this crimping will be fine. Most any of these you see out there are going to be crimped. Okay. That's pretty tight. Squeeze tightly. Now, take this, slide it in until it snaps. There. I don't know if you heard that, but it popped in. Make sure this little portion just kind of slides in there. And bring this over and tighten it down. There, tight. Both tightened down all the way. It's a watertight connection now. Bingo. Done.